Hello and welcome back. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder. We're going on with that beautiful droid.
R2-D2, Your Highness.
Yes, we're going on with R2D2 from the Star Wars series. And in front of me, I've got 39. I've got two packs at the ready. But I don't know how many. There's a little to do, so I might do more than the two that I have here. But you'll see that in the video as soon as you get more or less at the end to the end of 40. 39 right here. The Imperial March. People sitting down to watch the second episode of this of the Empire Strikes Back of the Star Wars series. Doing very well at the box office. Co-series. Cooking droids or food helping or serving droids. A waitress droid, as you can see right here. And cyborgs. Now, this is a complete, almost exoskeleton. This is an antenna for this guy to feel color because he is colorblind. And here we go on with a little bit more things that you can help. And we're going on with leg details, and as you can see, that's done pretty darn quickly. So let's have a look at that, because that's what we had from the last time. I never saw that. That's nice. I'm doing 39, aren't I? Yeah. We're getting a screw box. Well, that is helpful because with all the models I'm building, I'm going to do a lot, and Star Wars doesn't have a lot of different. This build and the previous Star Wars build don't have a lot of different SKUs. So this will work. We're going to be putting stuff on that, but we're beginning with that one. That's in a little bit easy to my taste, because I think we need to put a spot of glue on that, as they say in the magazine. Or should we put that on the other side? Like so. So I put a spot of CA glue in there. That's working. So it should come out like that. And then we put that on. And then we put that on. And we put some screws on the other side, which are right here, because these are the only screw types we have. Are we going to spot of glue on that assembly video? Can't remember if I did that on the other side as well, but if they're coming out, get yourself a screwdriver like that twists on top so you can put your screw on. You can push it down with your hand. Let me just show you what I mean. You can push it down with your hand and still twist. And I don't know what I'm going to do with that. But that is the first stage done. 40, as you can see there. Timetable and treatments. They're talking about I had to fill in a lot of blanks for the lot of things that had been added into this one by the two previous films. So they make a new film, and they need when they wrote it, they need to make everything stick together properly, and not saying that it's Jabba the Hutt at the one and the next one we call Jabba the Pizza Hut. Although it looked like that. Leg detail and lightsaber parts. We push that on like so. So that's all we do. So we might as well get some other magazines out. And that is what we have. So let's see what we do. Let's show you the magazine. Stage 41, building R2D2, assembling Luke's lightsaber. These must be the shoes for Chewbacca. And some more history. Well, there we go. I think we're doing almost the whole lightsaber here. Wow, that looks nice. Let's get to it. That's the lower part. That's the next part. All right, let's see if we can get this together. Okay, we're getting a locating pin out. We're pushing that into that. Then we're going to put that one there. But I think we're going to put some glue to put and keep this together. And we're going to push and keep pushing that. And then I'm going to put it to the side for a moment. Then we're getting that one out. And we're putting that one on and then putting 2 screws in there. Let's find out what we have. And I think we need the long ones there. I think we need these. Not the ones I thought before. Because these have a flat head. Or a tapered head, I should say. We put those 2 screw on. They have tapered heads so they fall down into that crevice. Let's see if I need glue for this. I don't think so. Then we have that. We put another pin in. Yeah, a little bit more. Sorry about that. So we put that together. We just put that little thing in. And we're putting a few drops of glue on that. With this side towards here. So we have that little gap there. Then the next thing we put on is that one. We're going to put a little bit of glue on that as well. And there's that little pin. Makes it all stick together properly. That is what we should have. Then we're getting that one out. But we're putting one of those long screws into that point there. Pushing that through. And pushing it on there. There we go. And that is the lightsaber. There's still a little bit of glue on that. So I'm going to leave that to dry. Now that is the lightsaber. As you can see right there. And that one as well. So I'm going to put that right there for it to dry. And see what we do in 42. Because I'm still on 21 minutes, so that's fine. 42. Creating aliens. Jabba the Pizza Hut. I shouldn't be saying that. They're not paying me, or so. Dumb droids. Sorry, I needed a bit of hydration. And I'm drinking tea at the moment, so. Yeah, it looks like Zach Brown. I need something like that for my knees and my ankles, and my back helps, because I've got arthritis in my ankles and my knees, and then that just helps with the back. There we go. This is just pushing together, so that is ridiculous. So we have that, but we're going to put that to the side. All right. And that's another stage done. Well, thank you very much for joining me again. It's not a lot of work that we've done, but I've done 4 stages. And now it won't. Yeah, I've done 4 stages, and I'm going on with the new pack of maybe 4, depending on how long it takes to put the things together. Because sometimes it can take more time than you think. But thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time whenever I do some more building. Check out my channel. Things behind me. You see what I'm doing. See you next time. Bye bye.